Hello, my name is Swiss Bianco. In this video I will talk about the silver bezel variation of the Olight 22 Warrior. I did already a video on the black bezel variation of that flashlight. So the flashlight is basically all the same except on the bezel. The bezel can be either stainless steel in a silver finish as we saw it, or it can have a black coated finish. The rest, the box and all that, all the little parts that come with it is all the same. It's just only the bezel. So we're gonna have a bit of look on the black one, which already does its duty on a rifle compared with the silver one. The light maybe give a bit wrong impression. The top one, the black one, is a lot more darker than the silver one about the reflection and all that. The bezel is interchangeable. You can screw it off. You can get that as spare parts in both colors as it is currently, and interchange it. Unfortunately, some people in eBay did list the silver one as the black one. They had the picture of the black one, and of course they did send the wrong one because they do not know that there are two variants out there. So what you can do to make this one a bit more tactical, you can unscrew the bezel, which simply unscrew to have two parts. Then you can take that off and you can bead blast it. It should be blasted with a medium that is for non-corroding materials like plastic or stainless steel, titanium, all sorts of that thing. If you're gonna blast that with a medium or with a blasting machine that did already be used for non-stainless materials, the particles gonna go bumped in the stainless steel and there it's gonna rust. So it needs to be a true stainless steel material that you're gonna blast them, and then it's gonna look relative matte in a gray, matte gray. It depends on the medium that you blast it, of course, and give that shininess a goodbye, and never gonna see again goodbye. So that's what I gonna do. I'm not gonna care about buying different bezels. I gonna blast this one, and then as I screw it on, I put a bit Loctite on it. Then the bezel gonna hold on pretty well, and then we have some more weapon lights of the Olight 22 variant. So that much about the difference between the two styles of bezels on the absolute grade Olight 22. Still one of my most favorite flashlights in 2014.